All right, guys, we're here at a job site. They're fixing the back end. This is how we load the roofs. I wanted to show everybody how this process is done so you know what to expect. Typically, we ask for the driveway to be clear so we can get in, back the truck in, and put the shingles directly on the roof. We do not put the shingles on the ground, so we always load before we come unless it's a really steep roof. So I want to kind of show you guys what that process looks like. Guys, the roof is loaded, so the shingles are all stacked on this roof, ready to go. We got some vents in here, we've got some underlayment, everything's up here on your roof. When we tell you we're coming to deliver the shingles on your roof, please keep the driveway clear. We'll put everything on the roof, so don't worry about stacking it on the ground. We'll be able to put everything on the roof out of your way, and you'll be good to go. It'll be ready for the roofers when they come. So the roofers are really smart in what they do. So they'll start in these areas where there are no shingles. They'll clear this all out, dry it all in, and then they'll move the shingles down in this area, so it's a little less work. Key thing here is to have the roof preloaded. Saves the roofer a lot of time and a lot of energy from them having to do it themselves, and that way they can focus on a quality roof install and more time with their family at the end of the day, where they can play with their kids and they're not completely wore out. So another successful roof loaded. Now it's up to us to come in and get this roof changed out for this homeowner, give them a new fresh look on this home. Our goal is to have the roof ready for them. This is what we do. We preload the job. It's out of your hair, up in the roof. You don't have to worry about it. On to the next job. 4 more jobs to load today, 40,000 pounds more to go. Thank God for these hardworking men and women in America. They're making the job easier. They're taking care of your home for you. These guys are awesome. God bless them for what they do.